How to fix Roblox screen glitch on mobile. Guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox screen glitch on your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first fix is you will need to update your Roblox app to its latest version. For that, open up your app store and simply search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, open it up, and if you see an update option instead of the open option right here, tap on update and update Roblox to its latest version. After you do that, you can just go back to your Roblox and check if your problem is fixed. If it's not, you can head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the general, and under general head over to your iPhone storage, and right there you will need to search for Roblox. Open up Roblox and then offload your app. After you offload your app, you will simply need to reinstall the app, and after you do this, your cache memory will get deleted and your Roblox will get downloaded again, and after it downloads again, you're basically good to go. Your problem will get fixed. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.